Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of copying a profile link on X, previously known as Twitter, using your PC. With the latest updates, it's easier than ever to share profiles with your friends or followers. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to x.com. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your credentials and you'll be all set to explore. Next, navigate to the profile whose link you want to copy. You can do this by searching for the username in the search bar at the top of the page, or by scrolling through your feed until you find the person you're looking for. Once you're on their profile page, you're just a few clicks away from grabbing that link. Now, look for the three-dot icon located under the user's profile picture. This icon usually contains additional options to enhance your experience. Click on that three-dot icon, and a menu will pop up with several choices. From this menu, select Copy Link to Profile. Once you click that, the profile link will be automatically copied to your clipboard. It's quick and efficient, making it easy for you to share the link wherever you need. And that's it. Now you can paste the link anywhere you want, be it in a direct message, an email, or even on other social media platforms. Sharing profiles has never been simpler. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on navigating social media. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll share more tips to enhance your online experience.